Whose is a relative pronoun that shows possession or ownership. It replaces the structure the person or animal's apostrophe s, for example. Instead of saying the man's book, we use whose to connect the owner to what they own in one smooth sentence. Look at the basic pattern. The man's book becomes the book whose owner is a man. Notice how whose replaces the apostrophe s structure completely. This connects the possessor and possession in one clause. Here are clear examples. This is the man whose book you are holding. I know a car whose wheels do not work. She has a bicycle whose tires are flat. John has a dog whose tail is black. Whose always shows what belongs to the noun before it. Whose works as the possessive form of who. It replaces his, her, its, or their before nouns. It refers to people, animals, organizations, and even things. For example, this is George whose brother went to school with me. More examples to practice recognizing whose. The girl whose parents are doctors. The company whose products failed. The house whose roof leaked. The student whose essay won. Each shows clear possession between the subject and what follows. Now practice filling in whose. The woman blank bag was stolen called the police. This is the team blank captain scored the winning goal. I read the article blank author won a Pulitzer Prize. The building blank windows were broken needs repairs. Think about what shows possession. Here are the correct answers. The woman whose bag was stolen called the police. This is the team whose captain scored the winning goal. I read the article whose author won a Pulitzer Prize. The building whose windows were broken needs repairs. Whose fits perfectly in each. Quick summary of whose. It shows possession and replaces apostrophe s. It works for people, animals, and things. Remember, the man whose car means the man's car. Simple pattern, powerful use.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.